Hello YouTube, this is quick review of Stackabl local WordPress development. So I'm in a search of better, faster, more usable local WordPress development, and this came to my attention. Now I'm using currently Laragon, what I consider really easy to use and especially fastest from all of them. So now I'm comparing Stackabl to the Laragon. So first thing, what I have noticed that you have to sign up when you're downloading, but it's fair enough. However, to really start this environment, you have to sign in as well. So kind of they know that you are currently working. Okay, I don't think so. This is really something what they need to do, and I'm not really sure if I turn off internet if I can develop. So that would be one of the drawback for me. Now, quickly looking at the environment, I can see that I cannot change versions. I cannot change easily extensions of PHP. So that's another bad point, I would say. Now look at the site itself. Now I see that I can work only on IP address. Maybe I could force it. I can manually change it for the domain and change it in the settings, but you know why I need to do it? Laragon does it automatically. All right, I don't want to develop on local on the IP address. So that's another thing what I would definitely consider for using. And I'll have a look at the speed. I'm using this plugin WP Performance, and this basically measures performance of the local WordPress or WordPress anyway. And this is the results. So pretty good in the CPU performance, in the executing code. Then we have a poor performance for Filesystem. Somehow average on database, which seems to be complex database queries pretty good, and not really sure about this network connection, but it never works anyway. I'm on much faster internet speed that this can measure. Now comparing to the Laragon, this is my test from Laragon. We have roughly the same results for the PHP. Now much better performance, much better performance for the files. You see, I've got a fast hard drive. I've got 1 megabyte speed, and here is 141. Okay, so anything to do when you start to do with the files, it will influence a lot your performance. Now database as well, this is marked as a green, so supposed to be good, and in this query doesn't do very well. Only this query is pretty good, and the network download speed. So resuming that, I can't see myself using this tool for already mentioned reason. What I would just summarize is the privacy issue, really, why I need to sign in always when I want to develop. That's the first. Then second, what I haven't mentioned, actually, it took ages, like 3-5 minutes on very fast computer and fast internet connection to create actually new environment. That was another one. Then working on the IP address, I just don't want to deal with it. And then speed, obviously. Give it a no for Stackabl local WordPress, and I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, maybe you see something very positive in it, but I don't have any more reasons to dig deeper how can use any other feature what will be absolutely crucial for me. So that would be my review. If you like this, press the like button, leave me some comment, and happy development. Thank you.